Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today's video I will show you how you can make this delicious jollof rice at home. Look at how it looks delicious and also tastes delicious. It's very easy. I'm going to show you step by step. All we need is these two types of paprika, 336 and 4 tomatoes pulp and our tomato paste. All you need is to wash your paprika and tomato and slice them. Add a little bit of oil in your pot or your pressure cooker and steam the tomatoes. I like to work for at least 20 minutes. This is all the paprika we have. And here is our protein. I'm using chicken. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use turkey, soft chicken. You can use a bit strong chicken. In seasoning the meat, I will be using onions and pepper, curry, rosemary, thyme, and the last salt. Stir the meat. Add a little bit of water. Then the last the bay leaf. Into garlic to boil the meat. And next we have 2 onions for the stew. A little bit of oil, salt, our onions, our bay leaf, thyme, rosemary, and last curry. So this tomato paste is actually 400 grams, right? And the rice I'm cooking is 2 kilo of rice. If you know you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and blend your paprika. Don't add water. Don't add water. Brown a little bit first, then come back and add the other part of it. So mind you, I add extra 1 pepper. But if you love pepper, you can add more. If you don't like pepper, don't put. So I'm adding Maggi. Earlier on I forgot to add Maggi to my seasoning. So Maggi to your tomatoes that you are frying. I use 2 Maggi. This is our paprika. I'm just pouring the paprika right now. Mind you, I haven't added my steamed tomatoes. All right, okay, go ahead, cover it for at least 15 minutes. Now I just changed my pot to the bigger pot. So here is our tomatoes. Finally is here. I just sieve a little bit of oil from the stew and pour it here so that I can be able to use it to steam the tomatoes before adding my paprika and my tomato paste that I fried earlier on. So go ahead and turn it. Here is the sauce we get from the meat. It's very small, and if you like you can filter it and use sieve, but because it's very small I'm not going to use it. Add more water, add salt. Here is our jollof rice spice. I'm using a little because I don't like it that much, but if you don't have, you can go ahead and prepare your jollof rice like that. So this is nutmeg. Alright, you must add nutmeg to your jollof rice to give the rice that flavor you need. Not much. Add a lot of water. Cover it and go ahead and get your rice. So here is our 2 kilo of rice. So it's much. So if you are going for 1 kilo, you divide the things that I use. Alright. Wash your rice until it looks like this. Pour your rice into your stew. Turn it. After stirring, then go ahead, cover it and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Depends, with low heat. Please always cook with low heat. Chop your onions. I actually chop 1 onion, 1 pepper again. That make 2 to 3 peppers. Alright. So look at the rice that's dried. Not fully dry, but a little bit dried. Next, we are going to add our chopped onions and pepper. So if you don't like much onions, you can use half of it. So depend on your choice. So do whatever you want. Alright, so I'm just going to add my margarine, my butter. After adding your butter, use the rice to cover the butter. Allow the rice to soak. So cover it with the cover. Allow it to cook until the rice gets dry. After that, just open it up, turn it. The rice is ready. Dish your rice and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.